Ooh, I finally caught it. At least I ain't using my goodies. Should I bring it back to the shelter or let it fly? I don't know. Look at it, it looks scared. I don't want the mama bird to come out of nowhere and bite me, wherever she at. Look, the rest of the babies. The rest of the babies. This one could get rescued. I'm not bugging, I'm not tripping. It's me, what happened? Yeah, boy. This is what I do. This is what I do. It's okay though. It's okay. It's okay, Birdie. It's okay. Don't bite me, don't bite me, don't bite me, don't bite me. Don't bite me. Don't bite me. Don't bite me. Don't bite me.